Which one is good to go? What's the difference between economy and regular parking? I don't know, but economy stands for like that's just what.
So it's so annoying because we have a 4-hour flight right now and we're not even next to each other. Love that.
This is about to be that episode of Drake and Josh where Drake sits in between like the two hot girls and Josh is in between like the fat couple sharing fried chicken.
Get it, Herb! Get it! Get it!
Out my way, banana pancakes for my.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in public. People are looking at me like, okay.
Lay outside as heavy falls, heavy falls.
This vlog, we are going to California for my dad's race once again. I'm with my cousin. Hey guys, I'm back. Part 2. So pretty much it's just me and Francesca flying out of Orlando, Florida, and we're at our layover right now in Arizona, and then we're headed to California. And then we're meeting up with my dad to get a rental car, and we're off to San Francisco. We're parting ways with him. He's going to where he's gonna race, like 2 hours away, and we're gonna be in San Francisco for 2 days, and then we're gonna meet back up with him. Do you have any input for me? Any input? Subscribe and like this video, even though it didn't start yet. Just do it because you're gonna like it. And if you don't, I just wasted your time. Ha ha. She's literally looking at like soil.
So, my Minecraft farming taught me well.
And Kristen, she drinks alcohol. She should be arrested. Hey Dad.
Hop in your car. Hey girls.
How was your flight?
My flight was awesome, and yours, babe?
It was awesome. See you in 2 days.
Just go park the car.
Okay, we'll go park the car.
There's a plush dog on the bed.
Where are we going?
The Cheesecake Factory.
Can I get a Oreo?
Hoya, Savannah,
When we've been stuck on planes for literally like hours on end.
Travel. Are your shoes thick enough?
For what?
You know, all the loose heroin needles just laying around.
Next thing you know, we could be cracked out on heroin.
We
Who
tweak it
knows?
on these streets.
We tweaking. Her dad told us he's like a little extra, and he was freaking out. He's like, "There's heroin needles on those streets. You gotta be careful. You can't step on them."
He told me to wear my thickest shoes. I was like, what? Like,
Oh my god. Why you gotta fight with me at Cheesecake? Are you an Aries? Cause you're a bitch. She said no paparazzi.
I'm sorry. I've heard the pregnancy rumors about me.
Yeah, she's pregnant. Oh my god. Nah, she just eating good. Okay, what the hell? We just walked in like a full loop. This was our room was literally right here from the elevators. Please, can you guys take a second? And like, I'm gonna reverse the footage right now and look at how much we just walked out of the elevator. We were iconic before we both got acne. So I usually wake up to the view of literally the ugly courtyard that looks like a jail outside of my window, but here's my view today. What are you thinking right now? I still can barely open my eyes.
Hey, Michelle's vlog. So right now we are headed to Muir Woods, which is like the big redwood trees. Here's a bit of what we see. It's probably pretty ugly right now.
Nah, it's all about our personality. Don't be rude. So yeah, we're here in mini skirts. We look like whores, and we're on our way to
Go on a hike.
Pretty much hike through the woods, trek through dirt, the whole 9 yards. So I can't wait to be laughed at. It's gonna be at this park and people started to lay in the grass, and so I just convinced Francesca to lay in the grass with me. She's scared of the bugs.
I don't want them to like start
Eat you?
crawling on me. Yeah.
Yeah, I heard like the San Francisco bugs like eat people alive, so you're gonna have to be careful. So we're having a romantic little dinner with a view. That's Bae. That's my slime. Slat. Alright, so we're headed to some street where there's supposed to be like a bunch of bars and stuff, and it's just supposed to be pretty happening. We have no clue what we're getting ourselves into, as usual. San Francisco! How we feeling tonight? Woo! Wow, are you a Visco girl? Visco girl. I'll give you my scrunchie. Hey guys, so it's about 11 a.m. We just woke up and got ready, and we're gonna go get some ramen or something for breakfast. So we're doing that, and then we're going to the Golden Gate Bridge. We're going to Chinatown. We're doing a lot. We're staying in the city more today. So I'm wearing this cute dress. This is very unlike me. I feel like a little country girl. Yeehaw. The ramen stain on my sock really adds an element to my outfit.
So now we are doing like the most anticipated thing of the whole trip, going to the Golden Gate Bridge. Well, we're here right now. Can you guys believe this? This is absolutely insane. We're about to go have a major photo shoot. You'll see our pictures on Instagram.
Woke up early in the morning just to feel the light of day. Had to open up my window, get the shot.
We're honestly so funny. Like, we've been sitting here for 30 minutes editing our pictures.
If you knew what it takes to run a business, then you would understand.
Maybe if you had a business that you were passionate about, then you would know what it takes to run a business, but you don't. So
You all don't get it.
So we just stopped at this really cute park. I'm actually in love. I'm never going home, sorry. We saw the Full House houses, my childhood, and here's like the painted ladies. So now we're driving towards where my dad is and where the race is gonna be, which is about 2 hours away, and we're gonna check into our new hotel. So that's what's happening. So it's literally pitch black, and we've been like on this highway for like an hour, and we're just like going up and up and up, and I don't even know. We think we're in the mountains. We can't even see anything. We're on our way to some like middle of nowhere buttfuck Egypt hotel. I'm chomping my gum like a cow.
I have severe agita right now driving on this road. I literally can't see anything except the line. And I'm probably going so slow. I'm so scared.
There are people riding her ass right now. We're literally like flying every turn we make.
I feel like I'm literally on like a racetrack. I feel like I'm your dad. Like I'm in the simulator.
Hey guys, so it's currently 11 a.m. We're at Starbucks, and then we're heading to the race finally. Today is the first race. I'll get back to you when my brain turns on. We decided instead of going into the pit today, we'd be up in the bleachers. We got an awesome view. Here comes Roman DeAngelis and Max Root. Roman, my fellow ginger friend. My dad's coming up over here in the white car. Here he is. Yeah!
Jan was needed to tuck back through on the inside, tremendous back walk, so I didn't wave to him, but
Oh!
yeah, just look, and there they go again. That's a replay of what happened. Yeah.
Roman said, not today.
Between those two.
Oh look, they're head to head.
Celebrate here in California.
Oh, Mike!
Hell yeah!
So I just left the track and now we're headed to Considering it took me like 10 minutes approximately to put on these jeans, I thought I had to give an outfit of the day. So we have these cute fire rhinestone socks with my Air Forces. We got these jeans. I look like I'm shaped like a jewel. And then I have this white top. We got some necklaces, you know. On to the race. Let's go. All right, so we made it to the race. Here's the driver himself. Wind is blowing. The fog is everywhere. This is nuts.
Weekend.
Envy?
Kurt Naherda. It's our favorite. Kurt Naherda. He's 19.
My dad's literally about to like run over all these people. I'm not even kidding. So, are you gonna kill it today?
I think so. I think I got this. Again. So yesterday I won the Hard Charger Award for driving the most aggressively and passing the most cars on the track.
I noticed, like, because at one point you were 11th, and then one lap went by, and then you were 9th, and I was like, and you had a lot of space in between them too. I was like, wow, like he must have like finessed.
That's my third place trophy.
So we got my dad's car here. He's in the white one. This week we got Bart's car. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek on the inside. Here's what it looks like inside of a race car. We got all these buttons over here. It's pretty crazy. We've got on our Porsche jacket.
Just try to like, you know what I'm saying?
This looks just like me. This is definitely gonna work.
Don't let him look in the picture.
He's coming with us, our entourage. I got my fake ID. Alright, we're here in the pits. We've got NBC people up here, like we're on live TV. This is all the behind the scenes stuff. It's all ready to go. Alright, all the drivers are in.
19 here on the road to the Indy for
So now we're at the Carmel shops. It's so cute, like it literally feels like we're in Snow White. What dwarf would you be? Is there like a stupid one? What is he called?
Dummy.
Nothing quite like all this color. Couldn't paint a better day. Got good times on the horizon. I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me. Had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them angel calls. Lay outside as heaven falls.